Good morning, everybody. Greetings from Huis Ten Bosch. It is 8:42 a.m. and I'm walking around inside a theme park, guys. Yeah, if you stay at this hotel, because it's located inside the theme park, you can walk around. Yeah, you can walk around in the theme park. It's so cool. And so that is the reason why you don't see many people around me and you don't hear the theme park music. So it kind of feels like you're in a real city. So I'm heading towards Palace House Temples, which is where the museum is located. And it's a fairly long walk, so I'll take you guys with me. This is Hotel Europe. This is the flagship hotel. Very expensive, but one day I'd like to stay there. Probably the room with a balcony. And yesterday I had the burger. That's where I was eating the burger. So this is the back entrance to the park, and you can rent bicycles here because it is a large park. You can rent these. And that's my hotel. That's my hotel right there. Actually, my room is somewhere around there and it overlooks all this here. Last night I was walking along that boardwalk at night. It was a little bit scary. It's kind of dark and you can hear the ocean, and the ocean scares me. Can you guys hear the music? It means the theme park's getting ready to open. I didn't show you guys this area on my previous video. I guess this is more like the rural area of the Netherlands. Interesting, that last building is a laundromat that's open until midnight. I love how the vending machine is themed to the Netherlands as well. It's a windmill. Actually, the bicycle looks like a lot of fun. So we are gonna walk to Palace House Temples, and it should be open by the time I get there. Palace House Temples. So this is where I'm going. I'll show you guys the outside. Not sure if I can film the inside. It's a museum basically. Okay, so straight ahead is the museum, but I want to turn in this way. Let's go for a little nature walk, shall we? So Huis Ten Bosch has a few hotels. The hotel I'm staying at is Hotel Amsterdam. That's the only hotel inside the park, and then there's Hotel Europe, the flagship. And they have Hinda Hotel, which is a strange hotel, but that's also located outside the park. And finally, they have the Forest Villa, which is also located outside the park, and it's around here. We'll take a look at that. That one's good for families, I think. It's a two-story bungalow villa type of accommodations. Can you guys hear the music? It means the theme park is open now. So this street, this little pathway will lead us to the Forest Villas. I want to show you the Forest Villas. One day I would like to stay here, but it is on the pricey side because they are big. Alright, here we are, guys. So there in the distance, I think that is like where you check in and have breakfast. That's where the restaurants and shops are. And these are the villas. How nice. Isn't it nice? And these are the doors to the individual villas. And as the name suggests, It's located in the forest like this, so it's really nice. And look, let's go into this pathway. You have this view from your villa. Isn't this pretty? Look at this. So these are all the villas, and you have a little porch that overlooks this lake. You see, like this villa right here. That will be your porch, and you can wake up to this view. And as you can see, all the villas are 2 stories. The bedrooms are on the 2nd floor. 1st floor is living room, I believe. You have more villas over there. Well, once again, that building there is where the restaurant is located. Last night I slept like a baby. Oh my gosh. The bed was so comfortable, and even the pajamas felt so nice against my skin. I need to stay in luxury hotels now and then. You know, they have the hotels at Disneyland as well, right? But I actually prefer staying at the hotels here. Number one, they are cheaper. So they have different rates, I guess. They are cheaper because that's the only reason why I got to stay here this time. Usually it's very expensive. It can go up to like $500 US, $600-700. But my room was about 200 US, and that included the park tickets on the 2nd and 3rd day. And a park ticket costs about $70 US. So yeah, that makes it cheaper, really. And I also like the fact that you have all this space to walk around, and you know, you can stay inside the Miracosta Hotel, which is inside Tokyo Disney Sea, but you can't really go out into the park and walk around after hours. So I don't know, I kind of like this. And the rooms are bigger. The rooms are bigger here. This is really nice. The other thing I noticed is the prices for things like a bottled tea, for example, is about the same price as vending machines inside the city. All right, here we are, guys. We've arrived at Palace House Temples. Are they open? Yes, yes, I do see some people. I see people inside. Isn't this pretty? Wow, it's so beautiful. Well, it looks like I'm the first customer. There are workers. There's a guy mowing the lawn right now. But look at all these tulips. Oh my goodness. This is pretty. Oh, this makes me so happy. There's so many varieties of tulip here. And that is Palace House Temples, the big museum. What a beautiful morning. Look at this. Doesn't feel like I'm in Japan anymore. Feels like Europe, doesn't it? So let's see. First thing I want to do is I'm going to walk towards the back and show you the back side of the palace. Wait one moment, guys. I have to stop here, turn around, and kind of just take in the moment. You can hear lawnmowers. I guess because it's so early in the morning. I hope the museum is open. So this is the back part of the palace. Check it out. And in the back, there's this formal European garden. Pretty. It's nice. You know, when you look at the palace like this and you see the windows, the second floor, you can almost imagine someone living there. Like some royalty living up there. Okay, I think it's open. Oh, look at this, it's so pretty. Here's the Palace Temple's formal gardens. Sorry about the noise. The man's getting closer to me with his lawnmower. So yeah, the entrance is from the back side. So obviously I could not film inside. It's a natural museum. Yeah, they were showing works by a few French artists. They had a couple of Monets as well. That was very nice. It was very nice. I'm in my t-shirt now. I had to take off my jacket. It's getting warmer. Today, the forecast is 21 degrees Celsius here in Huis Ten Bosch / Sasebo. And yesterday it was so hot, like really. I mean, compared to summertime, it's not that hot, but I think my body's just not used to the warm weather yet, and I felt like I was going to get heat stroke. So I'm here near the entrance of the Huis Ten Bosch Park. This place is called Blueprint, and it's an outdoor cafe, and this is the only place in the entire theme park to offer Dutch food. So I got their haring, I got their stroopwafel, and I also got their frites. I'm so excited. So check it out, guys. This is the haring. This is cut up, and there's a lemon wedge, and there's also lots of diced onions. Yeah. So this is not the one where you like plop it into your mouth. Yes, this is cut up with the onions. So let's see what this tastes like. I remember eating this in the Netherlands, and it was okay. I didn't particularly like it. It was quite fishy. Itadakimasu. Hey, it's not bad. It's pretty good, actually. You know, compared to the whole fish that I had in Amsterdam, it's easier to eat, definitely, for sure. I think the lemon and the onions kind of mask the fishiness. It's delicious. I like it. Oh, that's good stuff. Delicious. Delicious. So refreshing. Not fishy at all. Really, the lemon and the onions make a huge difference. Healthy too, you know? I should be eating more fish. Next, I got the frites. So they look a little bit different. They look very different from the frites that I had in the Netherlands, but nevertheless, they are potatoes. Okay, these are shoestring potatoes, and the one that I had in Amsterdam was thicker for sure. And I had the frites with different sauces, but here they have no sauces. It's just seasoned. It's seasoned with salt and parsley and some there's some kind of umami. I'm not really sure what it is. It's a little bit salty. I feel like it's a bit overly salted. Definitely, this is something you need with beer. So this cafe is so nice. You know, it's right by the entrance, and a lot of people bypass it. But the view, there are tulips in front of me, like literally thousands of tulips blooming, and there's a Dutch windmill. Couldn't ask for more. Last thing I got is the stroopwafel, and it's a big one. Look, it's really big. This is basically 2 thin waffles, and sandwiched in between the waffles should be like this syrup. It looks like that on the other side. And this one has powdered sugar, some almonds, and some chocolate. Interesting. It's actually not bad. I think the waffle part, maybe the batter they're using is different. It's also not crispy. It's kind of soft. Is that how it's supposed to be? I don't know. The syrup on the inside is very similar to the one I had in the Netherlands, so that's a good thing. The chocolate is dark chocolate, so it's a little bit bitter, not too sweet. And yeah, I actually kind of like this. I do have to say though, I prefer the stroopwafels in the Netherlands. But I guess, you know, that's true for many food. Like Japanese food. I had like the worst Japanese food in Los Angeles, in Little Tokyo. I mean, I guess it's the same with any type of cuisine. I mean, the best Japanese food is definitely in Japan. Best Chinese food in China. Best dim sum in Hong Kong. So I guess it's true for any country. Look at the exit. This is the exit. It's called Schiphol. Interesting, right? And there's a whole bunch of shops inside. I'm not leaving yet, so I'm afraid to enter. Here, look. Schiphol Terminal Souvenirs. You know, the cool thing about this park is that I really do feel like I've traveled to somewhere else other than Japan. And I know it's Japan, but then I don't know, sometimes I'm like I'm under the spell of this theme park. I feel like I'm in a European city. Yeah, and I think that's what is great about this particular theme park. Yeah, so I've been here for this is my second day. I'm gonna be staying overnight, and I leave tomorrow to Hakata. That's right, I'm going to Fukuoka. So looking forward to that. But Gee, I had a great time here. I'm so happy I made it to Huis Ten Bosch after so many years of wanting to come back here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I came back. And I'm also very happy that I got to eat some Dutch food here in Japan. I do have to say though, the stroopwafel was a little bit disappointing. I mean, I pretty much finished that whole thing, and towards the end it was like, it's not the same. And the fries, the potatoes were a bit too salty for me. However, I did enjoy the fish. I enjoyed the haring. Yes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye bye.